Let's talk about the Stahls Transfer Express Marketing Kit. In this box are all the tools you need to hit the ground running at your custom t-shirt shop. From marketing tools to samples for your customers of all the different screen print transfers you can offer them, there are so many ways that you can build opportunity around this marketing kit. Let's check out what's inside. First, we have our checklist. This guide is going to come in every box so you know exactly what you're getting with the purchase of your Transfer Express marketing kit. It's going to go over the idea book, which is really lucrative to any business dealing with customers that need help with artwork. So let's open that up and check out what's inside. There are a lot of goodies in here other than just building artwork. So templates and clip art come with the idea book. There's a lot of other accessories in here that are going to help you build business based off of screen printing transfers with just a heat press. As I mentioned, Transfer Express does all screen printing transfers. So that's what we're going to be providing for you here. All of the colors that you can get in every piece of artwork you're creating for your customers. That way they know exactly what type of screen print they want, whether it's glitter or even a metallic finish, and all of your other basic colors to reach any type of market such as school or local business. We also have a $10 off coupon in here, which is going to get you started with your first screen print order. Like I said, we provide marketing material, so this is going to be a window cling for you to put up at your shop or wherever you're sourcing your custom apparel for your customers. That way they know to stop in if they have that need. We also provide you with all of our transfers for our stock numbers that we provide you with. All right, so all of those are in here with the ability to test on any type of substrate that is listed on here of what it's compatible with. Next, we have our application instructions. This is really going to help you at the heat press. It is a cling, so it does have a tacky backing. So if you need to put it on the table or on a wall next to the heat press for you to utilize this with, it's going to have your time, temperature, and pressure application for every transfer type that we offer at our Transfer Express division. Also included in this binder is our product guide. Right, this is going to be great for you as a business owner to see what all products you have access to through Transfer Express so you have a solution for any job type. And then of course, if you ever need to provide pricing on the spot for your customers, this is going to be the price guide for all of the transfer types that we offer as well. That way it takes out the guesswork when pricing jobs for a customer. As I mentioned, the idea book has all of those templates and clip art for you to utilize so that you can help your customers build artwork for any market out there. The idea book is directly associated with EasyView Designer, which you will have access to once you purchase the marketing kit. So if a customer comes to you and asks specifically to create a design using the fundraisers templates, you can look that up in the idea book, figure out what code it's under. So if we're going to use QFD-56, I'm just going to type that into the search bar under templates, and that will pop right up. So I can just double click on that. It'll generate right on the screen for me, and now I have the ability to edit this however I see fit. So if I need to edit the text here, all I have to do is select that and change it to whatever town I need it to say for my customer. So that's just one idea of being able to create designs for your customers and how it directly relates from the idea book to EasyView Designer. Next is all of the Transfer Express apparel that you have the ability to use so that Transfer Express becomes a one-stop shop for you. Transfers and apparel all in one. And it goes beyond just basic t-shirts, hoodies, and sweatpants. We're also able to do children's apparel and accessories, caps, book bags. There's a lot of opportunity you have with the apparel that Transfer Express has to offer. Next, we have all the transfers that you are able to make samples with so that you can show your customers all the different finishes that you can give them. Samples are amazing for your customers because it gets something in their hand that they can feel, and they're very easy to use for you at your shop with that application instructions. And we'll be demoing that here at the heat press with this product that we provide you with. This is known as Goof Proof. This is our top selling screen print transfer because it is so easy to work with. And we also provide a t-shirt with it so that you are able to press something as soon as this marketing kit arrives. Let's head to the heat press and show you how it works. This is what our screen print transfers look like. They'll arrive in a mirror image with the screen print ink on a release paper. All I have to do is place this on my t-shirt, apply at 360 degrees for 4 seconds, and then my custom t-shirt will be complete. And that's exactly what a job with Transfer Express Goof Proof transfers consists of. Goof Proof is a hot peel, so I can peel that back. And my custom t-shirt is complete, and I'm able to hang this up in my shop so my customers know that I can create custom t-shirts for them whenever they need. And keep in mind, you have the ability to use 60 plus of those transfers for samples that we provide you with to create items like this so that your customers can feel and know what you're offering them whenever you're meeting with them. To order the Stahls Transfer Express Marketing Kit now, visit transferexpress.com.